Composting is the process to speed up the natural decay of organic matter by creating ideal conditions of carbon to nitrogen ratio for organisms to thrive and decompose the material. For making a compost, we need four basic elements: carbon, nitrogen, water, and air. CN ratio is the key to the compost. 30 to 1 carbon to nitrogen ratio is ideal because organism that feeds on organic material consumes 30 parts carbon to every 1 part of nitrogen. Too much carbon will slow down the decomposition process, and too much nitrogen will create the foul smell in the compost pile. Rice husk and rice straw contains abundant amount of carbon, while potato peel, grass clipping, kitchen trash, and coffee ground contains nitrogen as a main element. First, collect all the ingredients and avoid the non-degradable materials like plastic and bottle. In order to help compost break down faster, shred kitchen waste and grass clipping, since it takes longer for larger pieces to break down. This will speed up the time it takes to make a compost. You can mix the ingredients depending upon the structure of the materials used. Here we add rice husks with coffee grounds, as coffee grounds are very fine and decomposes quickly. It will help the hard protecting covering of rice husks to decompose with it. Now make a pretty good pile of rice straw. Add the mixed ingredients of potato peel, rice husks, coffee grounds on the top of it. Then add some grass clipping. Start adding rice straw and other ingredients to make a second layer like before. You can add the layer depending upon the amount of materials you have. Here we put a pipe right between the compost. This is for the aeration process. Through aeration, air is circulated throughout the compost, which helps to break the material easily. Water the pile completely when done. Water heavily so that the water starts to come out of the sides of the compost pile. In 1 week, the pile starts to heat up and all the organic material starts to decompose quickly. Keep the pile moist by watering the pile every 2 to 3 days and aerate the pile by turning the pile every 4 to 5 days. The temperature of compost piles should reach around 54 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. You can use thermometer to check the temperature. After 1 month, the compost decomposes further and the temperature inside the pile decreases too. After 2.5 months, the compost cools down and the worm moves into the compost pile and further decomposes the organic material. After 3 months, the compost is fully decomposed and it turns into a rich black material.